The crew also spent some time studying fire up in space. Fire behaves completely differently up in space in the vacuum and the absence of gravity than it does here on the ground. The crew worked on a device called the Combustion Integrated Rack, which tests different fuels and finds out how they combust. And the crew spent a significant amount of time working on something called BAS. This is burning and suppression of solids. This takes a look at how flames burn up in space. It's quite a bit different whenever you put out a fire up in space versus here on Earth. Typically what happens here on the ground, you would aim the fire extinguisher or the suppressant at the base of the flame. This is because that is where the flame is the most stable. It's where the flame is basically born, where the oxygen and the air enters the flame and sort of creates it. But of course, up in space, you don't have that. So the BAS experiment takes a look at how the fire behaves and how someone would put out that fire up in space.